Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Open Zapya, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and grant storage and location permissions so file access works. Once done, tap Create Group or connect nearby on the sender, and make sure the receiver accepts or scans the QR code. This establishes a direct link. You do this because Zapya uses local connections to transfer faster and avoid mobile data. Keep devices within a few meters. Signal strength affects speed. Now select what you want to share. Go to Send or the Files tab and pick photos, videos, apps, or entire folders. You can select multiple items, check the total size so you know the time required. After selection, tap Send and choose the paired device, or have the other user scan your QR code. This avoids manual pairing. As transfer begins, monitor the progress bar and file count. You can pause or cancel if needed. This step ensures you control what moves and how long it takes. Finish by confirming the receiver saved the files to their gallery or storage folder. Zapya offers a save or install prompt for APKs, so use Share APK then install if needed. Once the transfer completes, verify file integrity, open a photo or play a video. If files don't show, clear Zapya cache and rescans media. If transfers stall, restart the app, toggle Wi-Fi or hotspot, and re-pair devices. This resolves most connectivity hiccups and ensures your shared files are accessible immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.